Hello student, today we are going to start exercise 2.2 of inverse trigonometric function. In my previous video, I have explained their properties of trigonometric function. So that property we will use in this exercise. So now let's start. Exercise 1. 3 sin inverse x is equals to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. X belongs to minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So student, we have used here formula of sin 3 theta which we have done in our 11th class. What is the formula of sin 3 theta? Sin 3 theta is equals to 3 sin theta minus 4 cube theta. So we will replace here x is equals to sin theta in this formula. So it will become here sin 3 theta as it is and 3x minus 4 x cube. Now student, in next step we will transport sin to other side. So we know that if we will transport sin to other side, it will become sin inverse. Okay. Now we will replace here theta equal to what? Here theta equal to sin inverse x. So we will get the answer is sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4 x cube. It is the answer. Now student, if we will do here question number 2nd, it is also similar to question number 1. Only here we will use the property of cos 3 theta. So the question number 2nd is what? Question number 2nd, 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x, where x belongs to here 1 by 2 to 1. So student, for this question we will consider here formula of cos 3 theta equal to 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta. This formula we have learned in 11th class also. So now student, we will consider here x is equals to cos theta. Therefore theta is equals to cos inverse x. In this formula we will replace here cos 3 theta is as it is. In right hand side we will replace here only 4 cos cube, it means x cube minus 3x. Now again cos is transferred to other side, it will become inverse. So cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. Now we will replace here theta by cos inverse x. 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. So student, we will get the answer. In question number 3rd, we have given here tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 upon 24. So student, first of all we will use here properties of inverse trigonometry function. What here we will use? We know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, and xy is always less to 1. Now we will use here this property in this question. So here x is replaced 2 by 11 and y is replaced 7 upon 24. Now we will consider here left hand side. Therefore tan inverse x is what? 2 upon 11, y is 7 upon 24 upon 1 minus 2 upon 11 into 7 upon 24. Now we will solve them. Then it will become tan inverse. Take LCM 11 and 24. So if we will take, we have to write here directly because these denominator are cancelled to each other. So how many times? 24. 24 into 2, 48, plus 11 into 7, 77, upon 11 into 24 minus 14, upon 11 into 24. These are cancelled to each other. Now we will get tan inverse. Then 48 plus 77. It will become what? 48 plus 77. We will get now 5, 15, carry 1 and 8 for 12, 125. Okay. Now it will become 11 to 4 into 2 4, 264. So 264 minus 14, 250. Now here is cancelled 2 times. So we will get the answer is tan inverse 1 by 2, which is the right hand side and screw. So student, as we observe here, if we will learn property of inverse trigonometry function, then we will do all question easily. Question number 4. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse 31 upon 70. So we will have to show here left hand side equal to right hand side. Now student, we have to start from left hand side. So now in this step, first term, we will apply here 2 tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. This property we will apply here in this term only. So it will become tan inverse 2 x is equals to 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square, plus tan inverse 1 by 7 as it is. Now we will solve here. Then 1 upon 1 by 2, it will become 1 by 4. 4 is a LCM. 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4, plus tan inverse 1 upon 7. Then we will get tan inverse 4 by 3. It will become its multiplicative inverse. We will write here, and tan inverse 1 upon 7. Now we will apply here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. This formula again we will apply here. So it will become tan inverse x is 4 by 3, y is 1 upon 7 upon 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 upon 7. So it will become here tan inverse. Now take LCM. LCM is 7 3 21, 21, 7 4 ja 28, plus 3 upon again 21 is LCM, 21 minus 4. These are cancelled to each other. Then answer is tan inverse 31 upon 70. Now from left hand side we will get right hand side. So hence proved. Now student, proving part is completed from question number 1 to 4. In question number 5 we will start, and from question number 5 we have to write this function in a simple form. So student, for this first we will translate here, let x is equals to tan theta. So we will replace x by x is equals to tan theta. So it will become root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Then tan inverse. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Again student, tan inverse as it is, and sec square it will become sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now if we will write here sec theta into change cos theta, then it will be become 1 upon cos theta minus 1 and sin theta upon cos theta. In this term we have changed tan theta sin theta upon cos theta and sec theta 1 upon cos theta. Now we will take here LCM cos theta, so 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta upon cos theta. Cos theta is cancelled here. Yes. Then we will get, after cancel cos theta, tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. So student, we will use here this formula. We know that 2 sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos theta. This formula we have learned in our 11th class. So I hope so you have know this formula. So we will replace here 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2 sin square theta by 2. Here angle is 2 theta, so it will be become theta. But here we have given only theta, so we have to write here theta by 2. Now sin theta is equals to, we know that sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta. This formula also we will use. These two formula we will use in this question. So 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, 2 is cancelled, sin theta by 2 is cancelled, it will be become sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. We know that sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta by 2. Tan is cancelled to each other. Now theta by 2, we will replace here theta is equals to what? Tan inverse x. So answer is 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Question number 6, tan inverse 1 upon root x square minus 1. Again student, we will replace here x is equals to sec theta. X is equals to sec theta. It will be become tan inverse 1 upon root sec square theta minus 1. And we know that sec square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. And it will be become now tan inverse 1 upon tan theta. It will become 1 upon tan theta. Now we have to write here tan inverse cot theta. It is the simplest form. Now how can we will change cot theta into tan theta? So student, we have to write here tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus theta. If tan pi by 2 minus theta, then we know that we will change here into cot theta, because if we will draw quadrant, in a first quadrant all is positive, and if we will consider here pi by 2 or 3 by 2, then tan change into cot or cot change into tan. So these are cancelled to each other. So remaining is, we will get here pi by 2 minus theta, where theta is equals to what? Theta is equals to, we will find here theta is equals to sec inverse x. So we will put here sec inverse x. Next question number 7, tan inverse root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Now student, these two formula we have used here, which we have learned in 11th class. 1 minus cos 2x is equals to 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x. Here is angle is double, so we have to write 1 times. But in our question we have given angle is single, so we have doing here is half root of 2 sin square x by 2 and upon 2 cos square x by 2. 2 is cancelled, tan inverse, then root of tan square x by 2. Now it will be come to outside of root, and then we will get tan x by 2, tan inverse and tan is cancelled. So now we will get x by 2 and x equal to, here it is the answer of this question, x by 2. It is the answer. question number 8, tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. So student, firstly we will divide its numerator and denominator by cos x. So cos x upon cos x. Now we will write here cos x upon cos x minus sin x upon cos x, and again cos x upon cos x sin x upon cos x. Now these are cancelled. It will be become 1 sin x upon cos x, tan x. Again here is tan x. Now we know that here we will apply the formula of tan a minus b. What is the value of a in tan? Tan pi by 4. So we will replace here tan pi by 4 minus tan x, 1 plus tan x tan pi by 4. So it is the formula of tan a minus b. Tan inverse as it is tan a minus b. Tan inverse and tan are cancelled. So we will get pi by 4 minus x. Now question number 9. In question number 9, student, we will replace here x is equals to a sin theta. So now tan inverse a sin theta upon x is replaced root a square sin square theta. Now again we will get here tan inverse a sin theta upon a is common here, root of 1 minus sin square theta. A square is common, but it comes to outside of the root, then it will be become a. A is cancelled here. Now tan inverse sin theta. 1 minus sin square theta equal to what? Cos square theta. So root cos square theta. Now tan inverse again sin theta, and root and square cancel to each other. It will be become cos theta. So now student, next step, tan inverse tan theta. Tan inverse and tan is cancelled. We will get only theta, and theta is equals to what here? Theta is equals to x sin inverse x upon a. So we will replace here a by sin inverse x upon a. This is the solution of question number 9. Question number 10. Tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3a x square. So student, now we will replace here x is equals to a tan theta. Then it will be become tan inverse 3a square a tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta upon a cube as it is minus 3a square tan square theta. Now student, we will multiply here. It will be become 3a cube tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta upon a cube minus 3a cube tan square theta. Now student, we will take here common a cube from numerator and denominator and cancel to each other a cube. Then the next step is tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Student, we know that its formula of 3 tan 3 theta. So we will replace here by tan inverse tan 3 theta. Now tan and tan inverse is cancelled. So we will get here 3 tan theta. Now theta is here. We will find the value. Theta is what? X tan inverse x upon a. So now we will put here 3 tan inverse x upon a. Is the answer of this question. So student, remaining question of this exercise we will do in our next class, and You have to try this question also. If you have any queries, any problem, then you can ask me. Thank you for watching video.